Hey guys, so I'm at Magic Kingdom. So we are gonna ride some rides and go eat somewhere. So we're gonna find a ride, and then we're just walking around to see what we could find. But maybe we are gonna eat breakfast first. And this is my dad, and over there is my sister. Here's the castle over there, and then today's gonna be crowded, like really crowded. So we're gonna look around and see. This is my sister. I'm so excited to ride rides. So we're gonna see how tall am I for Tron. So let's go see how tall am I. I'm so excited, and I'm so excited to ride Tron.
Let's see her. Wait a little bit.
So it's this tall.
Whoa, you're like right there.
I'm almost there.
What about you? No? It's
So I was almost close to riding Tron, but I am so excited to ride Barnstormer. So guys, like I dreamt to being on YouTube, but today my dream came true because I'm making this video right now, and then when we get home, I'm gonna download YouTube, and then I'm gonna see myself on YouTube. Yay! And I'll make sure I'll see you guys at Barnstormer. So I'm at Barnstormer. Like right here, I can feel the fresh air and the fan, and I'm so excited for Barnstormer.
I don't know if it's recording, dude. Oh, it is recording, yeah.
Okay, my dad was just looking if it was recording. My dad is out of his mind.
Go.
And it was recording.
Outside, come on.
Okay, so we're moving up right now, and then we're getting closer and closer. So we're getting closer and closer. Okay? See, you can see the thing, the ride over there. So I am so excited to ride it. And guys, just for you know, I'm going to be riding all by myself. Okay guys? I'm actually riding all by myself. I'm so excited because I'm 7, and 7 years old gets to ride all by themselves on Barnstormer. Did you hear that sound? That was the train, and that is so loud. When I was next to it, it hurted my ears really bad. I was like screaming in my ears really loud. Don't worry, the ride is gonna start. Okay?
In manito si Pai, mantenga sus manos, and if you don't know when you get it,
Okay, I'm ready.
What in the apartment? Stay here. How old are you,
7.
hours. Or like animal. It's
Hey, here we go, guys.
happy, right?
Oh yeah. This is the first ride we
Oh, they're recording?
Yeah.
Aria and Mila.
Oh, look.
Okay.
That's the family back there. And just in case my mom and dad, my mom's at home working.
Stop it.
Here we go. Okay, it's really like
Shiny pools. Okay.
This is a lot.
Let's go now. What is that? These are little stuff.
And there's Bumbo over there. I really want to hide it again. We are gonna ride Dumbo. We're gonna ride Dumbo. Our next ride. It's like that.
Listen.
It's gonna be so much fun. Then we're gonna go get a cup of water. Okay? So, see you guys when we got in the movie. Guys, I think Dumbo lets you let you stay by yourself. So like I think if you're 7 years old, you get to ride by yourself.
If you want to say anything else about people,
You're messing up the video. So I'm at Dumbo right now.
she said she wants to talk. Go back.
Here's my sister. No.
Take it back. Never do it. Alright, say bye.
Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna make Dumbo go really, really high. Right up there. So guys, I'm on Dumbo right now. I am so excited. I'm gonna go all the way up. I'm gonna go up, down, up, down, up, down. It's gonna be really fun. But there's water on there. And I really don't want it to fall in or lose connection. So I'm gonna try not like put it up.
Dumbo by Aria and all the lever in the lovely Seychelles.
I'm going up. Whoa, I'm going all the way up. I'm going all the way. It goes this high up. Ah! Oh my god! Ah! Where's Mila? Mila!
Jump on wide Aria.
Let's go.
The lever in the
We're going down. We're going down. Going up. Going up. Wow! Faster ever!
in the
Hello, everybody. Now we're going down.
which are the left. Boy, they couldn't get hold of it. But
Everybody's going up. Okay. Woo! We're going down.
Wait
So
time.
guys, we're gonna do one more ride, then we're gonna go head home. Okay guys?
Welcome aboard, folks. We're beginning a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. It stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside. Permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Friends, I'm so delighted you joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. With a balloon in my hand and a wish in my heart that someday
I should have the other one. Wherever what you are good to disembark. This is
This
your
is actually the Toyota ride.
Adventureland and Liberty Square. You'll have a room to time out there.
Toyota looks bad. Like nobody's even riding there.
Go carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Me too.
Fun.
That's a cat.
Yeah, all right. There it is. Big Thunder Mountain. Now, normally those out here have a one-track mine for gold.
Why the
But
train?
mining seems to have been derailed.
It's getting.
They've been working on that railroad all the livelong day, though.
I don't know.
But they'll be full steam ahead in no time. Hopefully with some new bells and whistles.
So, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode.